Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Tea time with Granny. There was a man, let's call him Uncle Earl, who had a dear friend and companion. Let's call her Hilda. Every evening, especially since the passing of her dear husband, Uncle Earl would go to Hilda's house and sit in her kitchen with her to have a cup of tea. He had known her for many years. One cool evening, Uncle Earl came as usual to have tea with Hilda. It was a little unusual that when he came in, she didn't acknowledge him. She just sat at the table. He sat with her, and she didn't seem to be herself. She was eerily quiet when he sat down. She got up and went to the little pot to get him the tea. She served him the tea and walked right past him and through the wall. His jaw dropped. He couldn't believe his eyes. He immediately left. The next day, he went to the house to check up on Hilda, but this time everything was normal. She greeted him in her sweet voice as she usually did and was very talkative. He asked her about what happened the night before, but she seemed puzzled. So he told her everything that happened. She was shocked and went for an album to show him a picture of her great-grandmother. They looked exactly alike at that age. She explained to him that her great-granny still haunts the grounds of the property, and that she can be spotted quite often.
Check out the playlist below for more Debbie stories.